guys, welcome back to Kaylee Does, and today we're going to be doing a who can sharpen an entire box of pencils faster challenge. So we have our sharpeners, a bowl for any shavings that will fill up very quickly, and our box of pencils.
Okay, so we're gonna open the box of pencils, right? And then, can we open them before the challenge starts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this is taking actually a lot
Oh my god, okay.
longer.
Don't pull them out yet.
I won't.
Just leave the box on thing like this. Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna go on my phone and I'm gonna set a timer.
No, don't do a timer, just do a stopwatch.
I'll do a stopwatch. Okay.
And then whoever gets done first will press the stop button.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, it's squeaky!
It's squeaky! Oh, by the way, the background noise is a train.
Oh
who
yeah.
just decided
I don't know
to
if you
park.
can scooch.
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
if
there
you
you go,
can
there
see
you go.
it.
Oh my god, it looks so pretty.
Oh no! I had a tip and it broke off.
Oh no! Oh my god. Okay, so it's a 20 pack. And
Oh no!
look, is this good? Is this good?
Yeah, it's good.
So if it has a pointy tip, it's done.
If it has a pointy tip, it's good.
Okay.
I need to get the stupid thing out of there. I'm still trying to get I'm not even done with one pencil yet. Can I get it out?
I don't know.
Yes, I got it out!
Good job.
Okay. Oh yay, one done.
One done. Oh my god, it's so short!
Gonna beat you.
Oh, you are? I'm already done with my second. I had already.
So am I. Okay, and checking. Nope, not yet.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, my hands
my
are
God,
getting
no!
tired already.
I have a thing stuck!
Ah, yay! Actually, I'm sorry, it's not fun. No, I did it again! Why is it so hard to sharpen? No. Saving a bag. Don't litter people. Yes, I did it. She's working on her fourth, and I am working on my sixth.
I thought I was gonna win. Kaylee, oh my god, look behind you!
Okay. I was still sharpening when I turned.
You're like, wow, it's rough.
No! This is the third time I've gotten the tip stuck in the sharpener. Is it? Ah!
I'm literally showing the tips every time. I'm like, look, it's a pencil. Wait, where even is your camera? Bippity boppity boo.
Stop!
Did you guys like our last video? The one about the kites?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun making that. Who knew that it would take so long to sharpen pencils?
Right! Oh, look at that bad boy.
We literally kept saying, this is going to be such a quick video, it'll take like this long, and
Okay.
then we'll just be done, we can do it whenever,
Okay.
and it's been 13 minutes, and we're so good. Okay guys, so I've come up with different ways, different methods of sharpening pencils.
Ah.
So there's the classic, right here.
I just twist the whole sharpener.
You can twist the pencil. You can twist the sharpener.
What is this button?
Down. And
Stupid.
this is what I was doing earlier because my hands are really tired.
Here, I'll hold it for you and then you hold it for me.
Okay.
Oh no!
I kind of just spilled her bowl full of shavings, so we're just gonna take a quick break here. Halftime. All professional sports have halftime. I got 8 left.
I have 8 left.
What?
Oh my gosh. This is so stressful.
Only YouTubers can turn something you do every day into something
Stressful?
into something you
horrible.
have nightmares about.
I'm literally gonna nightmare about this tonight.
Oh no!
Kaylee, I'm going 2 pencils at a time.
You can't do that!
Yes, I can.
It's gonna be so inefficient. It looks like we've come up with a new method. 2 pencils.
It's not the best.
1 pencil twice the time.
What?
No!
You have to get that.
Don't let her.
Don't let her. Look at how fast. That does not count.
I know it doesn't. Okay, so you guys can't really see, but this is literally the weirdest pencil I've ever seen.
You're the weirdest pencil I've ever seen.
Aww.
Oh my god, Kaylee, you only have 5 left.
Moving!
Oh my god, congratulations. Scooch.
I'm so proud of it.
Oh my god, wait, it's going so fast.
I'm so proud of it.
I was sharpening the pencil without looking. Does this count?
No.
How? Girl, mine. I don't know how I'm gonna continue sharpening.
Yeah, I have a growing fear of pencils. Is that a thing? Pencilophobia or something?
Hi, my name's Kaylee.
I have pencilphobia. It's the very realistic and very real fear of pencils, and more accurately, sharpening pencils. If you're like me and you have pencilphobia,
Kaylee, I
use
can't do
mechanical
this.
pencils.
Can it count? Can it literally count, please?
You get pencil penalty.
What's the pencil penalty?
The pencil penalty is that you have to do it. Nope, -5 speed. There you go.
Just for the next pencil?
Yes.
Okay.
I also can do the next minute video. Not sure if that's less or more than a pencil.
This is my bowl. Want some pasta oatmeal cereal?
Ooh, yummy pasta.
Oh my god, look how much more I have.
I win!
No, you still have 4 more! You scared me! That one's not pointy.
Which one?
This one.
You're so picky. Go judge your own.
Look for pointy ones in mine. So exhausted. Been going at this for 27 minutes and 40 seconds.
My hands.
Oh my god, she only has
are,
2 left.
So breaking.
Speed run, speed run. For me, you
Yes.
can go slow. Kaylee, look! There's a bug. Did you see it?
No.
It's like a beetle, look.
I don't see anything.
Oh my god. That one could break. It's not sharpened.
Oh my gosh, you're so picky. It's literally sharpened. I'm done.
No, you're not.
They
You
are
have to resharpen
sharpened.
those. You have to resharpen the one that I said isn't sharpened.
Why is it is sharpened?
No, it's not.
Okay, guys, these are completely sharpened.
No, they're not.
These are sharpened. She's just
One
being
of them
picky because
has
she doesn't
wood on
want
the
to
side.
lose. Just because it has wood on the side doesn't mean it's not sharpened. They are all sharpened. I win.
I win.
I win. They're all sharpened. I recommend not doing this. It really hurts your hand. Oh, and you get tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of pencil shavings. Okay, so that's all the pencils.
Mm-hmm.
I won the challenge despite her
I think I won.
pickiness. And my hands are full of lead, so that's fun. And we sharpened 2 boxes of pencils.
Yep. We could have
So-
just bought pre-sharpened pencils. Yeah. Next time.
Before we go, we have to stamp a pencil. For
Yes!
good measure. For
We
good
have to
measure.
stamp a pencil.
We have to stamp a pencil for good measure. So no, wait. Why? Ready?
We're having a difficult time with that. We have to put it back together.
Okay.
We should hot glue it. If we get 50 likes, we will do the
Eat it or wear it challenge.
Yeah, literally only 50 likes. That's like, if every one of you liked it 3 times, easy. You can't like it 3 times, but if you want to go on 3 different YouTube accounts, then you can.
So if we get 50 likes on this video, we will do the eat it or wear it challenge.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.